Lauderdale by the sea, which is a place that we found by accident one day just by driving through, and it's like an amazing small little town that kind of reminds us of a New England town, beach town, New England beach town. It's so quaint with restaurants and little shops and ice cream places. It's very small. There's a beach, there's a pier. It just has everything you're looking for, a little bit quieter than Fort Lauderdale. It's definitely a must visit while you're in the area. And this is the place that you're going to want to go to. It's called Aruba Beach Cafe, and you can see the ocean, and the food is really good. We've eaten here so many times. We love it here. Try to get a table like towards the back. And on the weekends they have music. We're here early, you know. You even sit over here, and the views are spectacular.
Put more time on the.
There's a pier over there. Nice small beach. Not as many people as Fort Lauderdale, but I'm sure it does on the weekends get crowded. There's another restaurant over here. I'm not eating there, but looks interesting. Lobster rolls. There's the pier. You can go fishing on the pier. Another nice place. Ocean views, can't beat it. Ocean views over here. Okay. Looks like you have to pay. The course to go on here, how much is it? $2? All right, thank you. They have a good ice cream place over here. It's after you have your lunch at the Aruba Beach Cafe, or you go to the beach, stop in for this gelato. Right over here. Another restaurant. It goes even further down, more restaurants that you can check out while you're here. You're missing some of your beach stuff, you can always come over here and get them, or a souvenir. Another ice cream place. This is the one we went to. Very good. For Sloan's homemade ice cream. Another cool restaurant. And then there's the famous burger fry. You want a burger while you're here. So we're at one of of our favorite places to eat called the Sandbar Grill. It's, I don't know, a couple miles from Fort Lauderdale Beach. And it's like a secret. Like, I didn't even know this place existed till somehow Scott found out about it, and it's just amazing. It's better because you don't have a road like when we were Fort Lauderdale. I mean, that's still great too, but this is even better. And the food is very good, and not only breakfast, you can eat lunch and dinner here.
The usual.